The Deere 333G is an absolute beast. It turns logs into sawdust in seconds. Super durable and incredibly powerful. Lumberjacking requires skill and courage. However, this job is both very difficult and very dangerous. It is truly admirable that courageous and strong individuals continue to do this job. Working in Swedish forests, this machine can cut and process trees of great thickness. It easily adapts to even complex root systems, creating a healthy forest ecosystem. This machine challenges the logs. "I'll turn you into dust in a second," it says, and it really does. This is the combination of power and speed. Who doesn't miss the sound of old machines? This nostalgic giant takes us back to the past. The sound of that diesel engine is like a call from history. Freezing cold, huge logs, and treacherous terrain seem like a recipe for disaster, but these professionals are overcoming nature's harsh conditions. The skill and determination of these men is truly impressive.
See if this works.
Look at this man's mastery. Every move is deliberate, every maneuver is calculated.
Throw a wedge to finish it off.
Think of a wood chipper, but not your typical chipper. This beast turns 20 centimeters thick branches into sawdust in seconds. Got huge piles in your backyard? Don't worry, this machine knows its job. When you see this machine, you say, "Okay, this is a marvel of engineering." It not only cuts down trees, it also shapes them into the shape you want. There's a huge pile of branches in the garden, and you don't know what to do with them, right? That's where the Cat 299D3 comes into play. It turns huge branches into sawdust in minutes. Getting rid of logs is no longer a problem. With this machine, it rips those logs to pieces in seconds. When you watch it, you can't help but think, I wish I had a machine like this. It's fast, powerful, and impressive. It's a real show. Steep slopes and tight turns are nothing to wood transport trucks. They move effortlessly on icy or muddy roads with their trailers overflowing with trees. It is as if they were built to defy every difficulty of nature. A chainsaw offers both speed and precision. Need to cut through a thick tree trunk? No matter what you're doing, a chainsaw will get the job done with ease. The wood transport trucks are famous for their durability, not their speed. But sometimes when you watch them, you feel like they have turned carrying loads into an art. Turning corners with a loaded trailer, moving along mountain roads. These are truly masterworks. This machine is not just a tree cutting machine, it is a forest processing plant. It cuts down trees, processes them, and does it so fast that you won't believe your eyes. When the big machines start cutting down the trees, it feels like a giant machine comes to life. Those giant tracks, arms, and saws. The trees are instantly knocked down, as if nothing is too strong to be cut down. Before you even close your eyes, those huge trees are being ground into dust by those huge machines. All those huge logs are finally turning into a fine dust that you can't even imagine. When you use a chainsaw, you feel like you are controlling nature. Trees, branches, logs, everything is at your disposal. And if you use it correctly, you can master any job. Deep in the forest, a giant construction machine literally says the last word of nature as it cuts down trees. Every log, every branch is suddenly torn apart and replaced by order. It is nothing short of a visual spectacle. Wood transport trucks are famous for their durability, not their speed. But sometimes when you watch them, you feel like they have turned carrying loads into an art.
Boss, I guess it needs one more stroke for good measure. That'll do it. No, it's down there. Guess it had a bit of hole.